till he gets back on Staten Island because he's down.
What's up? He tried to Lucky.
Oh, never seen the kitchen this bad. There's hair extensions, there's fingernails, there's like a tuna fish sandwich on the ground. It's like World War III went down last night. It's crazy.
I feel like after the fight, like some weight's been lifted off my shoulders. This is probably like the best accomplishment that I've had in a long time. To like literally kick the out of Jenny. Best accomplishment.
We all found my fingernails. Oh, my earring. By the time I went to bed, it's like 8 in the morning. I had work in 3 hours. What's even more funny is that work is with Ron and Sam.
She wakes up, her hair was all disheveled, her eyelashes are hanging off. It's like, oh, here comes the beast. Roar!
Oh?
Hi, Enzo, it's Jenny.
Hey, Jenny, what happened?
I will not be attending work today because I have to get my nails fixed. Maybe she'll leave.
Your nail fixed where? You broke your nail?
2 of them, yeah.
I'm missing a pinky, a middle, and a thumb. Like, Jenny, I'm not gonna call out at work. You're a little bitch.
Just a little measurements.
A little scratch here, that's it.
Sam and Rose know themselves at this point. Ron's hooking up with girls,
Catch him
going
with
in bed
Terra.
with Sam at night. That's disgusting. And yet, they're still together.
Couldn't go away yet.
Yo, come tell the bro.
Serious. What the hell? Let's go to the beach.
The beach is on fire with hotties today. Tons of girls all over the place. And these 2 girls woke up to us.
So what's up? Let's get in the water.
Get in the water situation. Yeah, my underwear.
And then all of a sudden, it's like nothing like a nice herpy to ruin the party. Biggest herpy I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, what you guys doing?
Who else worked today?
Just me and her. The other one didn't make it in. Who's the other one?
Jenny.